Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna discuss the Tripitaka. You should already know that the Buddha has taught people many lessons, lectures and learnings in his time. His teachings were called the Dhamma. A collection of doctrine written in Pali is called the Tripitaka. In Pali, T is 3 and Pitaka is basket. So essentially, you can also call the Tripitaka the 3 baskets. This is the foundation of Theravada Buddhism. The Tripitaka was written on palm leaves at the 4th Buddhist Council in 29 BCE, approximately 454 years after the death of the Buddha, during the reign of King Asoka. Its original form is called the Pali Canon, and it's thought to contain the actual words of the Buddha himself, along with other texts. These 3 baskets are called Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Vinaya Pitaka contains the basket of discipline, and it is quite more basic than other baskets. It contains 227 rules for monks and 311 rules for nuns. This was practically the rule book for monks and nuns alike, containing the basic code of monastic discipline throughout the whole system of Buddhist monks and nuns. Sutta Pitaka, or the basket of discourse, helps describe the ethics of followers, benefits of meditation, and more. There are 5 Nikayas, or collections of suttas in this canon. Digha Nikaya contains the long discourses. Majjhima Nikaya has the middle length, or the medium-sized discourses. Samyutta Nikaya contains the connected discourses. Anugutta Nikaya contains the numerical discourses. And finally, Khiddaka Nikaya has the minor collection, or the short discourses. The last canon is the Abhidhamma Pitaka, also known as the baskets of high doctrine or high belief. It consists of 7 books. Dhamma Sangani, an ethical manual of monks and nuns. Vibhanga consists of 18 chapters with various topics. Dhatu Katha, connecting to the Vibhanga, split into aggregates, bases and elements. Puggala Panyati, listing human traits and characteristics found in the path of Buddhism. Katavatta, filled with lots of debating questions on doctrine between Theravada and other schools around the time. Yamaka, also covering detailed various topics such as identity and arising. And finally, Patthana, comprising of causes and effects, with very detailed explanations and theories. The Tripitaka takes on many ideas and topics and rules of Buddhism. There are still many things we can learn from the Buddha that are as important as they were before. Did you like this video? Subscribe to my channel. I wish you a good day. Thank you.